I would like to welcome you to another video by I Need to Know How. I'm your host, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very simple polka dot design on some French tip nails. Before we get started, I'm going to talk to you about the supplies, and I'm also going to talk to you about the overall design of the nail. The only supplies that you really need for this nail art is some black fingernail polish. You're also going to need a top coat polish to put on top of your nails after you've actually put the polka dots on. Okay, so to start off with this nail, and if you didn't watch my first video, which is about how to do polka dots, I would highly recommend that you go back and watch that video, because I'll show you how to do polka dots a lot more in detail in that video. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is take it and wipe it, the paintbrush on the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a dot in the middle where the line for the French is at. Then we're going to put a dot on this side and a dot on that side. So our first step is we're basically going to be putting 3 dots on each nail. A dot in the middle, a dot on the left side, and a dot on the right side. Okay? And then once we finish doing that, we're going to put little teeny tiny dots going around each one of these circles. So you want to make sure that your actual circles are not too close together. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the actual 3 dots on each nail. I'm putting one in the middle, one on the side, and one on this side. And you're going to do each one of these just like that. One in the middle. And when you put it on the side, be careful not to put it too close to the edge like I did the first one, because you're going to put the little small circles around there. Okay. So for all of these, just go ahead and put the dot in the center, one on the side, and on the other side. Now you're placing the dots almost where the pink meets the black. Okay. So you're putting a dot right here in the center. Hope you can see this. And then I'm going to put a dot right here on the side. And then I'm going to put another dot on this side. Okay. So far, this is what it looks like with the 3 dots. Alright? Alright, so the last one is going to be the thumb. We're going to put a dot here in the center. A dot on the side. Don't put it too close to the side, because you got to come back and put your other dots there. You want to put this one right here. Alright, so now that we have the first step down, which is to put the 3 big polka dots on each nail, I'm going to show you how to put the small polka dots around each one of these dots next. Alright, for the second part of the nail design, where we're going to put the circles around, the big circles, I used to take some of my fingernail polish and put a little bit on a cap. Now, I put just enough of what I need for my designs. Okay? Put the top on that because I do not want that to spill on my carpet. Alright, then the next thing I normally do is I take the end of a pencil. You can do this with a lot of different things. So I just happen to use the end of a pencil because that's what I had. So you're going to basically take the end of the pencil. Okay. And see how you can do dots with it. Very easy and simple. End of the pencil up. And then we're just going to put dots going all the way around this. Dots going all the way around it. Okay, now each one of these are going to have a dot in common. The circle, the main big circle that's located to the next one, is going to have actual circle that's in common between this one and that one. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. And you can make the dots as small, as big as you like. If you feel like you don't have enough on there to complete your dot and it comes out too small, just dip it back in here again and just start all over again. See how I'm making some of the dots smaller and some of the dots bigger? You can do that to yourself. Alrighty. If you feel like you need to go back and put another dot in between, come back and put another dot in between. Okay? So this is what it looks like once you finish putting the dots around them. Almost look like paw prints, but it's going to be just like this on the nails. All right, so now let's go ahead and get started and put it on our fingernails. Okay, we're going to put this on our fingernails now this time since we've already practiced some. And we're just going to put the little dots around there. You can do this with, they do have something that you make to actually do this for. It's a correct tool for this, but just so happened when I was trying to find something to do this with, I was like, you know what? I think a pencil will work on this. So that's what I decided to use, is a pencil. You'll be surprised what actually is created for something else, and you can use it for what you need to use it for. Okay, and this time I'm going to go around this one. And what I recommend that you do is just mix it up. You can use a lot of bright colors if you want to. It's going to be really, really pretty. Now, my nail designs, I try to make them really simple and easy, something that people can do. And you don't have to have a lot of different artistic abilities to be able to do them, because I can't really draw like that. So, but I can come up with some designs. All right, so you see what I'm doing? I'm actually putting the dots around here. If you can see this or not, I'm putting the dots around this. Like I said, you can make the dots small, you can make the dots big, whatever you would like to do. You can also make the polka dots that we started with, you can make those bigger or you can make those smaller. I thought this was such a nice design. Really, really nice design. And I came up with this design like 30 seconds after I had uploaded the design for the first polka dot video. I said, oh, I can do that. That'd be really nice and easy for people to do. So, and this will really, really look nice on colored nails. That actually doesn't have a French on it. Alrighty, so we have these right here done so far. I hope that you can see them. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the thumb. Time to get some more paint. Okay, that's my first circle. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the second circle. Sometimes when it starts to dry, you'll notice that it gets starting to dry a little bit on my thumb. Okay. Okay. And I got to put a little bit more on my thumb because for some reason I think I ended up hitting my thumb right here. My circle came off a little bit. Okay, so this is what the finished look looks like, and I hope you can see it. Trying to get it for you. It's really cute. And can you imagine what this would look like if you had red on there, or orange, or purple, or if you made the circles like a yellow and then came around the circles with like a pink or a blue, or just, it's just a possibility that's just unlimited. So when you get a chance, please try this and let me know how easy it is for you. And this is my thumb.